This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, side curtain airbags, a rear spoiler, dusk-sensing headlights, privacy glass, and an automatic climate control system. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Bay State Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 703 Washington Street in Easton.